Be sure to go over chest and hips interior circles. Links in the description below. Let's go. And do chest and hip circle. Ready? Let's go. Chest is out, hip to the back. And now to the side. Yeah. Now going in. Yeah. And to the side again. Neutral. Out. Neutral. Side. Yeah. Neutral. In. Neutral. Side. Let's go again. Neutral. Out. Feel the stretch. Neutral. Side. Yeah. Neutral. In. And let's do it faster. Are you ready? Let's go. Out, neutral, side, neutral, in, neutral, side, neutral. Again. Side, in, side, out, side, in, side. Yes, shake it off. Don't forget to smile. And let's do the other side. Let's go. It will be fun. Yeah. Let's go. Chest is out, hip to the back. Yes. To the side. Neutral. In. Neutral side. Yeah. Neutral out. Neutral side. Feel the stretch. Neutral in. Yeah. Neutral side. Let's do it again. Neutral out. Neutral side. Yeah. Neutral in. Neutral side, and now let's do it faster. Go out, neutral side, neutral in, neutral side, again out, side, in, side. Last time, out, side, in, side. Yes, practice makes progress, and if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's continue. We'll do the circle without the neutral position. Let's go. Out, 2, 3, and to the side, yes. Going in, yeah. And to the side. Going out again, feel the stretch, yes. To the side, doing good. Going in, using the abs. And to the side, yes. Going out, feeling the stretch. To the side. Going in. To the side, and now faster. Let's go. Out, side, in, side. Again. Out, to the side, going in, to the side. Out, side, in, side. Looking good. Wow. Let's do the other side. Smile, and let's do it. Ready? Go. Chest out, hip to the back, feel the stretch. And to the side, going in, using the abs, and to the side. Yeah. Stretching out. Yeah. To the side, going in, yes, using the abs. And to the side. Last time slow. Out. To the side, going in. To the side. Now faster. Go. Out. Side. In. Side. Out. Side. In. To the side. Last time. Out. Side. In. To the side. Yeah. Getting better. The more you practice, the better you get. And now let's do the circle smoothly. Yeah. Are you ready? Let's go. Chest out, hip to the back, sliding to the side, sliding in, to the side and to the front. Going smoothly to the side, going in and to the side. Once again, going out, to the side, to the back, to the side. Now let's do it faster. Out, side, in, side. Again. Out, to the side, going in, to the side. Again. to the side, going in, to the side. Yeah, you're getting better. And now the other side. Ready? I know you are. Let's go. Chest to the front, hip to the back. Slide to the side. Going in using the abs. Slide to the side and to the front. To the side. Going in and to the side. Keep it smooth. Going out, stretch it out. To the side. To the back. And to the side. Now faster. Out. Side. Back. Side. Out. Side. Going in. To the side. Last time. Stretch it out. To the side. Going in. To the side. Yeah. Well done. And thank you for joining me.
Don't miss the master tip.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story.
Master tip of the day: practice the transition between the hip circles and the chest and hips circles.